It is 8:30 a.m. We are at the Burbank Airport about to fly a jet company called Jet Suite X. We are going to San Francisco, and then tomorrow we are driving to Napa. It is my very first time going to Napa, and we are celebrating my birthday. It's also a holiday weekend. We get some extra days off of work. You can see behind me the plane. So the plane is starting to warm up. The great thing about this company, we can arrive 20 minutes before the flight, and we don't have to go through all the security that you normally would at LAX, which is the international airport in Los Angeles. We are in the rental car crossing over the Bay Bridge. The Bay Bridge connects Oakland to San Francisco. Still have 16 minutes left until we get into the city. We are now going in the tunnel, or I guess under the tunnel. This is the actual Bay Bridge that we are approaching. We are driving about 15 to 25 miles per hour. I look very tired this morning. Unfortunately, my dog was vomiting all night. I had to get up several times in the middle of the night. I actually slept through my alarm. Luckily, my husband woke me up at 6:30 a.m. We quickly got ready to go to the airport. Once we arrive in San Francisco, we are going to check in to the hotel and drop off our bags. We're very close to San Francisco. Look at all of the tall buildings. These types of buildings are called skyscrapers. Can you guess why? San Francisco has a lot of hills. There's history with some pretty serious earthquakes. We just received our brunch. I ordered eggs, sunny side up, avocado, tomato, and this is some sort of potato with cheese and an aioli sauce on top. And my husband got a delicious looking avocado toast with pieces of bacon. He is already almost finished with his fresh squeezed orange juice. We are at Stone Mill Matcha, which is my favorite matcha cafe in San Francisco. Look at this delicious pie we just ordered. I ordered a ginger matcha latte. My husband got a plain matcha latte. It is about 7 o'clock at night, and we are at the hotel room in San Francisco. We had a long day of walking around the city, eating, drinking tea, exploring, and now I just feel like crashing, which is another way of saying I'm very tired and I don't feel like doing anything. So I am going to get ready for bed a little bit early. I'm actually going to do some edits tonight for some other YouTube videos. I will then officially go to bed. Tomorrow we're going to Napa. Stay tuned for that video because that is going to be such an adventure. I can't wait to go there. Thank you and good night.